At the Oak Ridge National Lab Manufacturing Demonstration Facility, they currently 3D print with a welder, a MIG welder, attached to a robot head. And after every layer, they have to clip the end of the wire because a bead forms on it. So currently it goes to a maintenance station off to the side and cuts it that way, but that takes a lot of time. They built an excavator arm, and with that excavator arm, it took about 6 hours of just cutting time. So with this design, it can cut it down to about 2 hours. This right here is the torch. This is what is mounted to the robot. We mounted it just here, just to hold, but it would be mounted up top. This is the design that we've come up with. It is a two ball screws driven with servo motors, as well as 2 guide rods, and that keeps it rigid. It goes down, extends out, nips the wire, comes back and up. Another requirement we were given was a length requirement. They needed a certain distance every time that they had to cut. So we were able to incorporate a displacement sensor into it so that it could measure how far away this was, and then we could turn that into a number of how long the wire was. So we were able to test repeatability and accuracy and things like that.